The countdown is on for the announcement of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung's next full-size foldable, especially now that we know when Samsung's next product event will be. We're excited to see if Samsung is able to climb back to the top of the best foldable phones list, now that its rivals are producing awesome folding phones of their own. The company has confirmed that its second Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event for 2024 will be held on July 10th in Paris at 3 p.m. CEST. It will be streamed live on the official Samsung YouTube channel. That's the official date for the next Galaxy Unpacked event. If that seems early, it is. Last year, the Summer Galaxy Unpacked event took place on July 25th. The new Galaxy Z Fold 6 is tipped to feature a wider yet thinner design, as well as a new influx display panel that should be more durable. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is anticipated to get a 6.3-inch cover display with a 120Hz refresh rate. On the inside, the device is expected to sport a 7.6-inch bendable AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Other notable updates may include a new frame design and material, possibly titanium. The Z Fold 6 is expected to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 system-on-chip, paired with up to 12 GB RAM and up to 1 TB storage space. In the foldable line, Samsung will unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 devices. Both of these are expected to get AI features specifically designed for foldable form factor. Moreover, there will be season upgrades with regard to design, display, processor, protection, battery, and more. The new battery might make the phone thicker than last year's model, but the design appears functionally the same. The interior display may be getting improved Corning Gorilla Armor, but that's about it. Compared to the Z Fold 6, the Z Flip 6 is expected to get a better camera, bumping the main camera from a 12-megapixel sensor to a 50-megapixel. Samsung has said to expect the next Galaxy Z phones at Unpacked, though it hasn't mentioned the Galaxy Z Fold 6 by name. Whatever gets announced at the show, you can already line up some savings on the price by registering to pre-order that new gear. All you have to do is provide your name and email address for a $50 gift credit toward your eventual purchase. Once you place your pre-order, you're eligible for additional savings. The leaker OnLeaks is predicting a $100 price hike for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 over its predecessor. That would place the starting price at $1,900, while the 512 GB and 1 TB version would cost $2,019 and $2,260 respectively. There's also the long-standing 5% discount when the code APP5 is used during a purchase in the Samsung Shop app. Crucially, these codes are often stackable, meaning they can all be used at once. That said, we might have a more robust foldable. Samsung appears to have trademarked the term influx, which refers to a foldable OLED display panel. What this means in practice remains to be seen, and it's possibly just a branding exercise, but making foldable less vulnerable to the bumps and dings of everyday life would certainly be welcome. It's tipped that the Z Fold 6 is in store for a major redesign, one that could change how it's held by adopting a squarish aspect ratio similar to the OnePlus Open with its inner screen. As a result, the narrow cover screen of past Z Folds will be stretched out a bit more. If that wasn't all, another leak suggests that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be getting a bit of a design refresh. According to Ice Universe on Twitter, the phone will offer a wider design and more pointed edges closer to a true 90-degree angle. The outer display may also be increasing from 6.2 inches on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 to 6.4 inches and getting wider as it does so. The company is also expected to launch the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 series at the upcoming event. Other launches expected at Galaxy Unpacked July 2024 include the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 lineup, Galaxy Watch Ultra, Galaxy Buds 3 series, and the much-awaited Galaxy Ring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.